Hey, this is Jasper from the user experience team. I'm going to help you walk you through the setup process for the Snap Pro. These are all the equipment we need for setting it up. We have the hub, the Snap Pro, its battery, your smart device, and the quick guide. The quick guide is really important since it has all the instructions for the setup, so you can also use that to reference it in case of any questions. So begin with your smart device. Make sure to download the MeShare app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. It's free for downloading, and you can also set up an account for free. And make sure to log in, and once you open your app, start with adding the device. The button to add the device can be found in the top right corner. Please press on it. And as you can see, it prompts you through the steps. The first step is to power on your device. So let's power on the device. Connect the hub to a power socket. And once it's connected and turned on, it's blinking. Now get your Snap Pro and insert the battery in the Snap Pro. As you can see, once it turns on, it's blinking green. That shows that the Snap Pro is on. Now that the device is on, press on Start Installation. And once you do that, it prompts you to scan the QR code, which is found in your quick guide. And as I mentioned, this is why one of the uses of the QR code, you could scan the QR code from the quick guide. Once you scan it, the screen prompts you to make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. This is really helpful because this would enable the voice prompts, which would also walk you through the process. So yeah, let's move on. Press next.
Please connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Your devices will also connect to this network.
As the voice command mentioned, make sure to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. This would be the network to which the Snap Pro and the hub will be connected. Once you've connected your device to the network, please press next.
Please enter your Wi-Fi password and make sure that it is correct.
Now that you have gone to the next screen, make sure to enter your Wi-Fi password. Let me quickly get that down. All right. Once you have entered your Wi-Fi password, you can also check it by using this icon if it's correct. This is a very important step, as getting the password wrong might not lead to connection. So please make sure that the Wi-Fi password is entered correctly. Now press next.
Please scan the QR code with your device. Hold the screen in front of the camera until you hear the next message. If you need additional help, tap the help button at the top right.
As the voice prompt mentioned, make sure that the QR code is scanned by the camera. So all you have to do is keep the camera and show it to the QR code and wait for it to connect. Another tip that would come in handy is to make sure that the camera is 8 inches away from the device. This is the ideal location, so try to keep it about 7 to 9 inches, but as close to 8 inches as possible. As you can see, when the hub connects, the hub becomes solid instead of blinking white. That's an indication that the hub has connected.
Device connected. Please name your device and set an exclusive password for it.
As you can notice, the device LED is solid blue, and this means that the Snap Pro has been connected to your device. And once it's connected, your phone or smart device prompts you to name it. So you can name it, whatever name you want. And once you press the next button, the device shows up in the home page. All right, that's it for the setup process. We will go into further detail on the different features that we have in our next video. Thank you.